In this video, I will share with you how to cancel Mindgrasp AI subscription. If you want to cancel your subscription, follow this video guide. The first step you need to do, go to the down here, go to your setting. From the setting, choose the language here, English or any language, and then click on billing. When you click on billing, click cancel subscription. So the canceling your subscription may be a result of your data being lost. So guys, before cancel or before take any action, and write your read this all term and condition and click cancel subscription. So this is how you can do. My subscription was cancelled successfully, and you can not access for your experience. So guys, you can also write your cancellation form if you want to complete this no longer active. So guys, if you want to also write this cancellation form, it is added option, guys, not it's optionally. So guys, just write your info here and click cancel subscription. Write your email address and select to continue this one. For example, it's expensive or something like this. Choose the country here and write here some features. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share.